Yes, julle, welkom by SA Kaap Stories. Natuurlijk Steven Via op TikTok. Ouwens, die dag was een harde dag. We started off this morning, 5 o'clock, myself, Rudy, and our friends at Rietvlei. But it was, let me not say anything about it. But about 11 o'clock, we decided, Blauwpan, Kempton Park. We got in the cars, we left. I'll show you what I've caught. I managed to find a beautiful barbel. I've never caught a big barbel like that in this beautiful Blauwpan Dam in Kempton Park. This is on the public side, obviously. And I want to show you a combo. The camera, if you don't mind just coming closer, please, please, please. And thank you to Tinus, who's filming here. This is the pineapple from Uncle Dudley. I don't know exactly how to say the word. Pinortus, I think that's the way you pronounce it. So this pineapple, obviously with my favorite magic baits mix on the ball. I fished with one hook today because of Rietvlei, pineapple and banana on the bleeding floaties. I must tell you, better success I couldn't have asked for. But we had a hell of a good day, and I'm thankful to friends. I'm thankful to the fishing community. We even met a nice neighbor today here at Blauwpan. Awesome, lekker people. Then a big shout out again to Magic Baits. The magic lies in the baits that you use, and that's what I believe in. And then the beautiful stand, of course, from Big Fish. This is the Bankmaster. This is one of the best, fastest, easiest stands that you can dream of. It's easy to assemble, easy to disassemble. I'm going to show you a video soon about that. I have actually forgotten how to do that, but it sets up. As you can see, I'm ready to go all the way. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.
Okay, and this part was about 15 minutes long. Hierdie barber het met my beklei 6 kilos van absolute muscles. Ek dink nie eers Mike Tyson kan so beklei het soos hierdie ding nie. Maar dit was van en ek het hom gekry. This is just to brag a little bit. The Rocket 12-foot limited editions. I simply love this rod. I managed to catch quite a bit. I think it was about 5 in total. We got there just around about 12 o'clock the afternoon. And there's me and Rudy just doing a final show off there.